Hello guys, today we're having MagSafe unboxing Bonanza. We have these two MagSafe compatible accessories for iPhone and we'll unbox them, we see how they work, what they offer, and let's start. First we'll get maybe the battery pack, the battery pack. It's with a small battery that you can use to charge your iPhone or for example AirPods with wireless charging. Inside we have the battery, which is really small, very nice plastic material like the old iPod white plastic material, if you remember. And with the battery there are some leaflets with some regulatory papers. I don't know, we don't need them, nobody reads them. Maybe they are mandatory, maybe in the future we will remove them as well, but let's put them in the box for now and see the battery. Yeah, the battery, very nice to touch. And we have the back with the Apple logo. We have this material which is like rubber, and these are the magnets. And on the back, nothing usual. We have the lightning adapter, the lightning port, and a small charging indicator that we see if the battery is charging and working. And now let's see how it works with our iPhone mini. Yeah, it's very nice, but why it's not working? Is it broken? I don't know. Maybe it's working. Let's place it again. It may take some time. First, in the first try. Yep, now it's working. It's okay. Now let's see the MagSafe charger. We have this pull tab here, which we will remove. And inside it's all cardboard, very convenient for the environment. And that's it. Cable and this hockey plug here. I wanna pull too much not to damage the packaging. The cable, it looks long, but actually it's not very long. Maybe it's 1 meter cable, and it's USB-C, so we'll plug it in the charger and we'll see how it goes. So we have this iPhone mini here, nice animation, and we have it says that the iPhone will be charged to approximately 90%. Actually the battery pack is small. It has 1000 and I don't know, not much capacity. So maybe it's enough to charge the iPhone mini, but not for the bigger models. And actually it will work to charge until 90%. So let's see what we can charge, what else we can charge. We have my Apple Watch. Can we charge it with one of these? No, it seems not. And these, no. So if you have a Apple Watch, your only charger is the provided by Apple, but I think this works fine with the case, the clear case. And let's see without the clear case. It's very strong. You can hold the phone like that and it will not fall. Let's see what will happen if we try this. Yeah, the magnets do not align, so you cannot use this to charge, and there are no magnets on the back to charge this battery pack. But you can charge this battery pack by plugging it on the phone like that, and it will still charge, as you can see. So the phone has reverse wireless charging, and it charges itself and it charges the battery pack as well. Let's see where these, yep. So now it's not charging the battery pack, but it's charging the phone, probably because the phone is in battery safe. We'll turn it off. Let's see what happens. I know what it is. This charger that I'm using now is not very powerful. It's below 20 watts. But this was interesting. If you see, when you tap the low power mode on the control center, you have two options. One is to enable low power mode, and the other is to charge past 90%, which I see for the first time. Maybe it's only for with this battery pack. Let's see what happens if we will show if we put here. It's still charging, and now we don't have this feature. So it's only for the battery pack. It's like that because it will conserve the battery. Let's see the other options that we have. So now we'll see what will happen if we try to charge with the MagSafe leather sleeve from Apple. Let's put this. First let's try and see what will happen. Only can we charge the case? No, I don't think so, but it sticks. It's very firm, and if you try to do it like that, it snaps. It's even firmer. Yep, it charges. And we have this leather sleeve here, which we'll use in a moment. It's brand new. Yeah, it charges it, and it shows this charging indicator next to the clock. If we remove it, nothing, and then put, and it shows the charging indicator, and it goes well. So you can charge with the leather sleeve. And what about the battery? Can you charge with the battery and the leather sleeve? Yeah, nice. So there is this option. If you are weird enough, and why it's not even weird, because you can pull the phone and this will stay here. As you can see, it's pretty tough adhered, so you can put your phone here when you want to charge it, and you have magnetic MagSafe leather sleeve with battery case charging. And we have this leather wallet. Let's try with it. So if we put it like that, it's a leather wallet, and if we put it like that, does it still charge? No. This is not gonna work. Let's go up a bit. No, it's not charging like that. Let's see the battery. No, even the battery is not. And let's see without the leather sleeve. It's a bit overkill, but why don't we try it? No, it's not working. Actually, it holds the magnet, but it's not working to charge. But it holds, which is very strange. So now we'll try with a bigger iPhone. This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And you can see again, nice animation. Do you have this option? Yep. You can set this option to charge past 90% and low power mode. But actually this battery is not enough to charge past 90%, so probably it's not a good idea to enable this. And let's see with this. Yep, starts charging. No animation. Why? Okay, and one final thing, I promise. We have these two here, and we have my Philips Sonicare toothbrush. It's blinking very fast at the beginning, and I don't know if it will get charged, but now it slows down. And let's see on the MagSafe battery pack. The same blinking. I'll have to try this more extensively, but it seems it works. So that's it. We have these MagSafe things and all the possible cases that I shown you. See you, and don't forget, like, subscribe, and peace.